am trying to make a giant cookie. Now, I saw this on, I think it was Casual Cooking maybe? I don't remember. Oh my goodness, I have never bought one of these before. Okay, so they made a giant cookie. Put this in the oven and bake it. Let's see if it works. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. All right, here it is. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look delicious? Okay, let's see. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh, yum. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is a pretty cool trick. Please go visit us at livingonadime.com. Is it good?
Mmm.
Delicious?
Oh my goodness, that's really good. What'd you make it out of?
The store cookie dough.
Oh. That's really soft for some reason.
I didn't make it as crispy as the other one.
Mmm.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
10 out of 10?
Mm-hmm.
Yay!